Morning, guys. It's a gloomy day outside, and I'm so excited today because I'm gonna be receiving my package from Amazon. Another GoPro Hero 7, and also the mounts coming from GoPro itself. So I've been like going out to check for like almost every 30 minutes, man. I can't wait for it. It's still 10:30 a.m. and usually the delivery would arrive here around 10:30 or sometimes 11 or even 2 p.m. So, oh, forgot about this. I still have a package here from Amazon, something that I bought, but I haven't opened it yet. So, just put it here, right here. And today I'm cooking piniritong this. I'm not sure what is this called, but I just prito it because I don't have really time to do the cooking. I'm currently working right now, so this is my workstation. This is my personal PC. Work, play, and yeah. I'll update you once I receive the package. I'm going to do unboxing. Talk to you in a few minutes. So it's 2 p.m., 2:30 p.m. and wala pa gyapon. Wala pa rin yung hinihintay ko. Iba kasing courier sa Amazon. Iniiwan lang dyan sa labas yung package. Hindi mo malaman if dumating na. Wala pa rin. It's a gloomy day outside. Wala pa rin yung package, man. Balik mo na tayo sa loob. I'll check it again at 3 p.m. So far, wala pa namang nawawalan ng gamit na iniwan dyan ng Amazon. Talagang super excited na ako sa GoPro ko. So yun yung pangalawang GoPro Hero 7 ko. Itong ginagamit ko ngayon is also a GoPro Hero 7, and then yung isa pa na dadating ngayon, GoPro Hero 7 yung pangalawa. Ito yung kagaya ng una. Actually, I was torn between Hero 7 and Hero 8, and I've read a lot of reviews that it's not really worth it to upgrade to Hero 8 if you have the Hero 7, because Hero 8 doesn't have changeable lens, so in case yung lens niya ay ma-scratch or something like that, di mo talaga mapapalitan. It will degrade the value of your GoPro. And like the GoPro Hero 7, if something will happen to your lens cover, then you can just replace it. Also, the stability of the GoPro Hero 7 is already superb, and no need to spend more for that Hero 8. But if you're upgrading to Hero 9, it's very much worth it. The only problem is that Hero 9 is still very expensive. It would be around $600+. So I'm just gonna stick with this. Anyway, I'm so happy with it. I've been a GoPro guy ever since Hero 3. So I have Hero 3, GoPro Hero 4, I skipped the Hero 5, I have the GoPro Hero 6, and then Hero 7. So, I'll talk to you again in a few minutes. Hopefully, dumating na yung package. See you in a bit. I don't know if you can see that, but let me just read it to you. Here's better. It's 5:36 p.m. It's still not here, package. I'm done cleaning, washing my dishes, done cooking, and the package hasn't still arrived. This is just too much, man. Still not there. I just got outside. I just got back from the outside and still not there. So I'm losing a confidence that I'm gonna be getting it today. So, well, let's just wait it till Monday then. So it's 11:42 p.m. I didn't receive the package today, so I'm just gonna sleep, and hopefully tomorrow when I wake up, the package will be there. It's crazy. Talk to you tomorrow, guys. Thanks. See ya.
The next day.
Okay, so it's 10:54 a.m. and I received the package. There was a little bit scare last night because the package is showing it's delivered, but then this morning when I went outside, then it was there. So it's right here. We're going to do unboxing, and yeah, I'm just looking really forward for this to this one, especially the memory card, because the memory card for that I'm using now is not that good compared to a new one. The memory card actually that I'm using is very old already. I've used it ever since I was using Hero 6. We'll do unboxing and I'll show you what's inside.
Challenging at the point that the things that are being done.
It's 2:10 p.m. and I'm watching the news right now. There's like an outbreak here in St. John. It started in one of the home care, I believe it's Shanix. It's like a home care. Yeah. It's a home care. And there's like one case that's active there right now, and they're currently investigating it, and the government of New Brunswick is putting all the necessary measure to control the spread of it. And now we're going to open package. Okay, so it's right here. Our new GoPro Hero, the second one. This is the first one. Now I'm pretty sure the memory card is somewhere here. It's right here. Cool. So this is what I've been waiting for. It's a max endurance card, and this is compatible with 4K. It's only 32 gig, but that's pretty much what I really wanted. I was supposed to buy the 64 gig or even higher, but I thought if there's gonna be a problem with the card, then I'm gonna lose all the files on it. So instead, I'm just gonna use 2 of these, and if one of the card goes wrong, then I still have another card to use. Okay, so what I'm using now is the new memory card, and this is my old one. It's the SanDisk Ultra. So now I'm using the new memory card, and hopefully everything will be working fine. Alright, now let's do the unboxing of this. It actually contains all mounts and case and all those stuff that I bought. I got it from Amazon for, I think that was $20 or $30, forgot, but around the price range. And what I like about it is that it has all the mounts, the chest mount, the head mount, the one in your arm, and also a lot of stuff that actually comes with it. Now I'm just looking for the scissors so I can cut off the cover. And I'm not complaining though. I'm just saying, it's hard. It's hard to unbox without a table and without something to mount your camera in. Okay, so here's the casing. Oops. Let's open it up. Whoa, cool. It has all the mounts that I can think of. What is this? Newer, okay, something about the warranty and stuff. And this is the arm mount, and then the one that you put in your arm. Yeah, all the mounts that I need. Suction something. Float. Tripod. Chest mount. A lot of stuff here I can put in, like dual-sided tape as well. Well, it has everything you need. This one, I like this. The one is this the one that you can clip in your backpack right here. Your in your backpack. I'm just gonna unpack all these and then I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. So there's nothing really much on this vlog. It's just like a random vlog since yesterday while I was waiting for these packages to arrive. Actually, I'm still waiting for another mounts from GoPro itself, and it didn't arrive yet. But that's probably by Monday. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Bye bye.
You lifted me up, you sailed me away. The world keeps on turning, the struggles never end. We take